If you have an email list but don't have this set up yet, you could be at risk for losing everything you've built so far. Most of us have heard at least someone talk on social media about how you need an email list. Because if you're relying 100% on social media, you don't own any of your followers. And if the social media platform disappeared one day, how would you market your business? But the truth is, if you have an email list and you don't have this little element set up, you're living just like the people on social media, because we also don't own the email marketing platforms. The email marketing platform you use could disappear just like a social media platform could. And you know what goes with them? All of your emails. You don't technically own any emails if you're letting them live in the email marketing platform. So I'm going to show you what I have set up. The first option is to integrate Google Sheets with your email marketing platform. Anytime someone subscribes to your list, you can set up a trigger in the automation to add a row to Google Sheets. Option 2 is to use Zapier. You just connect your email marketing software and Google Sheets to each other and then set up a trigger so that anytime anyone new is added to your email list, it will automatically create a new row in Google Sheets. This creates a backup list just in case something happens to your email marketing platform, and it will look like that. Hope that helps. Follow for more.